Hey guys, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's geeky video, I'm going to show you how you can enable mature content on Crunchyroll. To watch mature contents on Crunchyroll, you have to be logged into your account on Crunchyroll. You can watch our other videos on how to create an account on Crunchyroll. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And in this video, I'll show you how you can do it from the Crunchyroll app and from the website also. So if you are on Crunchyroll app, simply log into your account first, and after you are logged into your account, tap on the account section on the bottom right corner of the screen, and there on the settings under app experience setting you can see show mature content. Normally it's turned off for every user. Tap on the slider next to that option and it will turn green. Now you will be shown all the mature contents on Crunchyroll. So to do it from the website, simply go to crunchyroll.com, and for this also you have to be logged into your account. Now after you are logged in, tap on the profile option on the top right side of the screen. Now tap on settings. Now under account settings on the right side, you can see manga preferences. So tap on manga preferences, and here you can see mature content filter. So tap on the downward facing arrow or the triangle and you will see options show mature content or hide mature content. So I'm going to choose show mature content, then tap on done. And that is all that you need to do to watch or unlock the mature contents on Crunchyroll. So this is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.